Hello, I am Professor Hasskreidt. Today we will be discussing the concept of, hold on, I know the suspense is getting you, deriving linear equations using 2 points. Okay, that is using 2 points on the line. So let us start. Okay. Say we've got 2 lines, or rather 2 points. We've got, let's put this in the upper right hand corner. Okay, so this is the 2 things that we've got in our line here. Let's look at those carefully. Here are 2 points on the line. 2, 5, meaning on the x-axis 2, on the y-axis 5. And 4, 7, meaning 4 on the x-axis and 7 on the y. And here we have our y-intercept. Okay, the y-intercept means the place where the line crosses the y-axis. And that's at 0, 3. Okay, keep up with me, okay? The first thing we do is we need to come up with the slope of that line, okay? We find the slope with the following formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay? Meaning we use this line, this number here, which is a 7. I might have to scoot you all closer. Come here. Come here, you. So you can see what I'm doing. Alright. So this is 4, 7 here. Come on. So y2 is going, y2 is going to be this, and x2 is going to be the 4, and y1 is going to be the 5, and x1 is going to be the 2. You see that? One more time. The y2 is going to be the 7, the x2 will be the 4, the y1 will be the 5, and the x1 will be the 2. Do you follow me thus far? I get a camera. I think I need better camera. What you think, huh? Okay. Now, we need to plug into this formula. Move it over here. So, our y2 is 7. Our y1 is 5. Our x2 is 4. And our x1 is 2. Right? Right? So now, all we have to do is simple subtraction. 7 minus 5 equals 2, and 4 minus 2 equals 2. So our slope, that is the angle at which this line rises. Our slope will be 2 over 2, which is going to equal 1. Now, keep track of that. This is our slope. It is equal to m. What does m stand for, you say? Good question. Let's see. Okay. We still have this line. I'm going to leave that little diagram up there of that coordinate plane. Okay? Remember, our slope is 1. And the way we refer to the slope in slope-intercept form is m. We take that slope and we plug it into this formula, this equation. Y equals m x plus b. M is the slope, which we just calculated, and b is the y-intercept. Okay? Now, the x-coordinate for the y-intercept, since the y-intercept is always going to be on the y-axis, okay, the x-coordinate is always going to be 0, because it's sitting here right on the y-axis. By definition, the y-intercept is on the y-axis. Okay. So we just plug and chug with what we already know. Y equals m, which is 1, x plus the y-intercept, which is at 3. Since we can always get rid of this 1x, because 1 times anything is, well, anything. 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 8. 10 is 10, 1 times x is x. So we could just go y equals x plus 3. What did we do? Summary. What did we do? We took 2 points. 2 points from the line. We subtracted. We took the difference between the y-coordinates of those lines and the x-coordinates in those lines. And we divided them. Okay? Again, we divided the difference between the y-coordinates of those 2 lines. I'm sorry, of those 2 points. And we divided that by the difference of the x-coordinates. Okay, that gave us our slope, which is the same thing as m. That's always going to be multiplied times the x-coordinate, x. And then we add to that the y-intercept. And that is our equation for a line. This is how we derive the equation for a line using 2 points. Good? Just nod your head. Say yes. Yes, Professor Hasskreidt. If you still don't understand it, play the video again. Have a good night. Be good, study hard, eat your vegetables.